afternoon, ma'am. I am Janmin Dibulado.
And I am Joe Emmanuel B. Boko.
I'm Arjun Pipito.
And I'm Julius Vincent Durano.
And we're here to present about the construction and operation of aircraft DC power generator. So firstly, what is the insertion made of and why is it made out of that material? So as for the video, or as what you can see in the video, it is made out of aluminum. And it is made out of aluminum to help reduce weight as well as to help us make the shaft less loaded and also for its mechanical integrity to perform much better. So question number two is what is the rated power of the DC starter generator presented in the video? So as for the video also, its rated power is 18 kilowatts, but its voltage is only 28 volts. Therefore, its current is 550 amperes. Next.
Number 3. Why are brushes which are connected in parallel are in small size? They are intended to be small in size to cover the collector's entire surface area. And also, if the brush is too fat, you can also divide it into two brush. In this case, it becomes more flexible with respect to the contact surface, so it has much more better contact because it can be adjusted and the contact becomes much more less gaps. Number 4. What kind of brushes are used in high altitude since there is less humidity? They use rods which is made of molybdenum and these are used for lubrication.
Number Question number 5. What is the purpose of reduction gearbox? What is the ratio in the startup generator mode? The ratio of the generator mode is ratio of 1 is to 1 and during starting the ratio is 3 is to 1. The purpose of the reduction gear box is to reduce the overload which is caused because of the slow rotation from the startup of the generator 10 ratio to 8. How does the cooling system works in a generator? That's for the question number 6. So the air go inside into the fan and then it starts to rotate and then centrifugal force implies onto this air and therefore centrifugal force tends to remove outside from the fan and the air becomes removed through the windows in the bottom. Consequently, new air is sucked from the bottom inside onto the fan. That's why you can see the rotor has lots openings to roll air which is used for cooling and to also cool the rotors or the amateur.
The next is describe the two terminals of the generator and what its purpose. So, two big terminals are there to supply armature current. Since currents are very large, 700 amperes, these are rated currents, so terminals be very fat, while small terminals are used to supply the field. And next question is why is the source for the current terminal and field terminal of generator differs? So field terminal is supplied through a wire down to the rail in order to be controlled, and then field is supplied through power supply unit, while small terminals are used to supply field.